Scandinavian design has become one of the most beloved interior styles around the world, especially for small, minimalist homes. Known for its bright spaces, functional layouts, and calming natural elements, a Scandinavian kitchen brings warmth and clarity to everyday life. Even in limited square footage, this style offers smart solutions that make a kitchen feel open, clean, and beautifully simple. This video explores practical tips and thoughtful design strategies to help you create a Scandinavian-style kitchen that fits perfectly within a small minimalist space. Why Scandinavian style fits small kitchens? The Scandinavian concept was born from living in winter-heavy regions with compact homes. The design philosophy focuses on maximizing natural light, functionality in every element, neutral colors with warm accents, clean lines and minimal clutter, natural materials for comfort and harmony. These principles make it ideal for apartments and compact living environments. Choose a light and neutral color palette. Scandinavian style starts with clean, bright color schemes that visually expand the space. Recommended color base: white or off-white, soft gray and light beige. Pale pastels for gentle contrast: sage, dusty blue. These hues reflect natural light better, making a small kitchen feel airy and fresh. Save darker tones for small accents to maintain a minimalist balance. Embrace functional and simple furniture. Scandinavian design prioritizes functionality and practicality. Choose furniture and cabinetry that maximize storage without overwhelming the room. Smart furniture choices: flat panel cabinets with clean lines, slim bar stools or bench seating for dining corners, pull-out or foldable tables for flexible usage, wall-mounted racks to keep surfaces clear. Avoid overly ornate designs. Scandinavian beauty lies in simplicity. Maximize natural light and brightness. Light plays a major role in Scandinavian interiors. For small kitchens, every bit of brightness helps. Enhance light by keeping windows uncovered or using sheer curtains, adding mirrors or glossy backsplash tiles to reflect light, using under-cabinet lighting for task areas, choosing warm, soft white bulbs for a cozy glow. A well-lit space feels more welcoming and spacious. Incorporate natural materials for warmth. Minimalism can sometimes feel cold, but Scandinavian style balances it with natural textures. Add natural elements through light wood such as oak, ash, or birch, linen or cotton kitchen textiles, stone or wood countertops, woven baskets for storage, indoor plants for a fresh atmosphere. Nature-inspired elements bring life and comfort to a compact kitchen area. Declutter for a clean and calm look. Minimalism is key in Scandinavian design. Keeping countertops clear maintains harmony and space efficiency. Decluttering habits: store appliances inside cabinets. Use drawer organizers for cutlery and utensils. Remove decor that doesn't serve a purpose. Choose hidden storage to maintain streamlined visuals. A calm kitchen allows clarity and smoother daily routines. Open shelving: function and style combined. Open shelves are iconic in Scandinavian kitchens. They make the space feel more open and accessible. Tips for open shelving: display only everyday essentials. Stick to a cohesive color scheme of dishware. Combine open shelves with closed cabinets for balance. Remember, with open storage, neat organization is essential. Smart storage solutions for small spaces. Scandinavian design embraces clever organization to reduce clutter. Useful ideas: vertical storage up to the ceiling, magnetic knife holders, stackable containers and jars, corner pull-out systems for deep cabinets. Efficient storage supports a minimalist lifestyle and maintains clean lines. Minimalist hardware and finishing touches. Small design details can elevate the Scandinavian aesthetic without overwhelming the space. Hardware options: slim black or brushed metal handles, handleless cabinets with push-open systems, matte finishes for modern simplicity. Choose consistent styles to maintain visual unity. Add cozy hygge elements. Hygge is the Scandinavian concept of comfort and coziness, essential to making a minimalist kitchen feel inviting. Include soft patterned or woven rugs, Warm wooden accents. Subtle decor like a ceramic vase or simple framed print. Soft textiles in muted tones. A little coziness turns a functional kitchen into a heartwarming space. Sustainable choices for a better home. Scandinavian culture values sustainability and mindful living. Support eco-friendly design by choosing durable materials over disposable ones. Using energy-efficient lighting and appliances. Incorporating reusable storage containers. Upcycling furniture where possible. A sustainable kitchen aligns both with minimalist principles and Scandinavian lifestyle values. Bring in greenery for fresh vibes. Plants are simple yet powerful additions. Even in tiny kitchens, a touch of nature lifts the mood. Options for small spaces. Herbs on windowsills. A hanging planter above the sink. Small potted plants on shelves. Not only beautiful, herbs add flavor to your cooking too. Keep the layout practical. Scandinavian kitchens prioritize a smooth workflow, even in tight spaces. Tips. Maintain the classic work triangle between sink, stove, and fridge. Ensure comfortable walkway space. Position frequently used items within easy reach. Good function always comes first. Conclusion. Warm simplicity for everyday living. A Scandinavian kitchen style proves that even the smallest minimalist space can be both practical and beautiful. By combining neutral colors, natural materials, clever storage, and cozy elements, you can create a bright and comforting kitchen that supports enjoyable daily routines. This style celebrates function over excess, calmness over clutter, warmth over harsh modernity. Whether you're redesigning a small apartment kitchen or starting fresh in a compact home, Scandinavian design offers an inspiring path toward simplicity and harmony. With thoughtful choices, your kitchen becomes not just a place to cook, but a peaceful corner that brings joy to everyday living.